Hello friends, I am Priti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. Last week I had uploaded 2 summer mocktails recipe and thanks a lot for appreciating them so much. If you haven't watched the video yet, you can check that in the card flashing above and I've also mentioned the link in the description box below. So due to the viewers' demand and such great comments in my previous video, here I am back with 2 more summer mocktails recipes. So let's get started. For the cucumber cooler shots, we'll require 1 diced cucumber, 4 to 5 mint leaves, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 cups of water and ice cubes. First we'll add the cucumber, mint leaves, salt, black pepper and sugar in the mixture and blend them for about 30 seconds. Now we'll strain it and discard the remaining pulp. Now add the lemon juice, water and the ice cubes and give it a stir. Our cucumber cooler is ready and now we'll serve this in the shot glasses. For serving, put the sliced lemon and cucumber in the shot glass. And pour our cooler drink in it. You can also decorate with mint leaves on the top. So our cucumber cooler shots are ready. Now we'll make Pommy-Cool slush, for which we'll require 1 cup pomegranate juice, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, ice cubes and Sprite. All we need to do is take the serving glass and add all the ingredients one by one. So first add ice, then ginger, lemon juice, pomegranate juice and lastly pour the Sprite slowly into the glass. And our Pommy-Cool slush is ready. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.